How to connect Autods to Amazon. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about how you will be able to connect to Amazon in two different ways. So you can easily connect to Amazon by adding them as a store by clicking on Add Store option over here. And you can see that there is an Amazon store option over here allowing you to connect Autods to Amazon and import different products into Amazon. So if you click on continue, it should just show you the pop-up or the plans over here, and after you paid for one of the plans that you prefer, you will be able to log in your Amazon store account, and then after that you will be able then to import different products from the marketplace or even through the ad products over here. The second way is to be able to use Amazon as a source of products actually. So you could use Amazon over here, as you can see, as a source of products. So simply enter the URL of the product that you're trying to import and then import it to the specific store that you prefer. You can even import it to your own Amazon store. So you can get products from another Amazon store into your Amazon store. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.